Hi, this is Elizabeth Tanner, and this is my Module 5, Project 1, My Story. Who are we? El Dorado Middle School in El Dorado, Kansas, the home of the Wildcats. Current population, 412 students. Who do we represent? There are 412 students, 80% are Caucasian, 6% are Hispanic, 3% African American, and 11% are just a mix of often races and ethnicities. Here's a demographic comparing El Dorado Middle School on the left with the state on the right. So still majority of white, but the state is a lot more diverse than the school. The school would like to have more diversity, but they can't control who lives in their city. They could offer, as a city, some incentive programs to help get more diverse people coming and living in the city and be a more inclusive community because of it. El Dorado Middle School is a high economically disadvantaged city and school. It is about 10% lower than the Kansas average, but it is still at 41% of students needing assistance. And if you look at the demographic on the right, in 2015, the gap between El Dorado and Kansas wasn't that much, but each year it has gotten more and more severe. El Dorado is happy that it is about 10% lower than the state's average, but with this comes a lot of challenges. Most of the students live at or below poverty level, so the school needs to be able to fund the purchase of school supplies, breakfast, lunch, snacks, food to be sent home over the weekends, basic essentials such as shoes and coats for the students. A lot of the responsibility of making sure that the kids are properly fed and clothed land on the school's footsteps instead of the parents who don't have the money to provide for them. Also, because of this, the students have high ACE levels, which means that their trauma could affect how they learn and manage their emotions. So the school needs to have a plan in place to help students learn how to deal with their issues and overcome them to be successful. Statewide state assessments. El Dorado is doing about average compared to other schools in the state, but only 28% of them were passing in 2017, and 26 were where they needed to be in 2018, versus the state in 2018 there was 26% almost. Because of this, they have increased from 2017 to 2018, so some good increase is better than a loss. However, the majority of their students are still performing below expected norms. There is a 10.71% gap between the school and the state in 2018 performance levels. The school could increase these scores by having more standard-based learning, being inclusive in the STEM projects throughout the school, or just having high expectations and making sure that their teachers teach content specific and not just whatever they want. Graduation, even though they might be performing low compared to the state, they do have a higher than average graduation rate. In 2018, it was 90.1%. Because of this, they're proud of their graduation rate, and people might move to the city just to see their students graduate and be successful. All of this information was taken from the Kansas report card, and that is the website where you can find information for yourself. I hope you enjoyed.